Okay, guys, I know it's been a while. It's been like 2 weeks since I did a last video. I was in North Carolina for Thanksgiving, and I wanted to do a video. I was going to go back over where our cleaning ladies missed with the Bissell Heavy Duty Professional 93Z6W. This is basically a healthy home, and it does a great job on hard floors and carpets. It does a great job on carpets. The Cyclone looks like a Dyson, but it's a Bissell, and maybe it was inspired by Dyson because it has the Cyclones. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Here we go. Yep, hear the crunch. It kind of sounds like a Dyson DC-14 for 07. The pitch of it does, but this is a different motor. This is a Bissell motor, and that's a Dyson motor. Don't want to knock the ornaments off the Christmas tree here, so. Pretty heavy. All right, now let's get over to where the couch is. Here's the brush all spinning in action. It's pretty quiet for a vacuum, but I thought the Healthy Home was louder than this, but they're both the same. I'm sure the Healthy Home is quiet. This is where my dog eats her bones. My dog eats her treats and stuff. Probably a bunch of crumbs in the carpet. That one. All right. We have what we got. That's how much. All right, well, that does it for the Bissell Heavy Duty Healthy Home 93Z6W. Please comment, subscribe for more.